best friend pulls out a cigarette and some matches. It doesn't look like any cigarette you've ever seen before. He says it's marijuana, and he found some in his sister's room. I mean Grandma's room. She lights up and passes it around the group. When it's your turn, you shake your head. One of the group says, "Don't be such a goody-good." Someone adds, "You're just a snob. You think you're better than the rest of us. What will you do?"
You actually changed it at the top of the
Yo, do you want some